Unpacking the phrase, take aback, a guide to surprising English. Hello, everyone. Today we're diving into a fascinating English phrase that often pops up in conversations, take aback. Have you ever heard someone say they were taken aback by something and wondered what that meant? Well, you're in the right place to find out. In this video, we'll explore the meaning, origin, and use of this phrase so you can add it to your vocabulary with confidence. Let's get started. Take aback is a phrase that means to be surprised or shocked by something unexpected. The surprise element is key here. It's not just any surprise, but often one that stops you in your tracks or leaves you momentarily confused or uncertain how to react. It's a reaction to something that comes out of the blue, and it can be a neutral surprise, a pleasant one, or even a negative shock. The expression, take aback, has a nautical origin. In sailing, if a ship was taken aback, its sails were suddenly pushed against the masts by a shift in wind, causing the ship to stop moving forward and potentially be in danger. Over time, this term morphed in usage to describe any situation where someone is caught off guard, much like the ships of old. Now let's see how to use take aback properly in conversation or writing. 1. After a statement, I was taken aback by the news of his retirement. 2. As part of a reaction, she took one look at the surprise party and was taken aback. 3. In narrative writing, the sudden roar of the crowd took the singer aback. Remember, the phrase is usually in the past tense, since it describes a reaction after something has already happened. It's time to see the versatility of take aback by putting it into various contexts. In personal experiences, the teacher was taken aback by the student's honest confession. In professional settings, the board members were taken aback by the unexpected merger proposal. In public speaking or performances, the actor was taken aback by the standing ovation from the audience. That's all for our look at the phrase, take aback. I hope this video takes your English skills forward rather than aback, and that you're now more comfortable using this phrase in your daily conversations. If you found this video helpful, remember to practice what you've learned and listen out for the phrase in conversations around you. Until next time, keep learning and keep surprising yourself with how much you can achieve. Goodbye, and see you in the next video.